If your teammates are asking you questions again and again, every single day, every single hour, then that means you don't have SOPs in your business. That is standard operating procedures. That is kind of a checklist, kind of a system that you build for yourself and for your team, so that even a new team member comes in, they know what to do from step 1 to step 10. And that is what this video is about. You might have heard of McDonald's business idea that they have same taste in every single outlet, right? So that is where they follow the systems, they follow the SOPs. And for that, as in your business as well, so that every task is done with the correct objectives. Whatever the result should come, it will come after following the same thing, because you are gonna hire a lot of teammates, and if they are doing it from their input, that is where you will get different results. So you need to follow the same system every single time, and that should be approved by you only, because you are the business owner. That is your task, whether that result is a good result for your company or not. Now, for what should you create SOPs for? For every single system, think of it. What is the first step for your business? Is doing the research, doing the market research, figuring out who is the target audience, figuring out how you're going to generate leads, doing sales, booking appointments, qualifying people, doing deliveries, doing finance, management. Every single thing required SOPs, right? And that is where you need to implement this from right now. Just think of it. What is the things that you are the master at, and you are now able to automate it, give it to your teammates. They will also follow and get similar results. Now, in simple words, if you do a task more than 3 times a day, that requires a SOP. How you can create SOP? Simple thing. Step 1 is write down all the steps required, and you can easily use AI tools as well to refine those steps, right? Step by step. Once you have it, you go create a screen recording, right? You perform those steps, you create a screen recording, and you are telling do this step 1, step 2, step 3, just like that, and your SOP is done. Just like that, create all the systems, SOPs for your business, and your team will entirely manage that. That's where you become from a normal, can say self-employed person to a business owner. And that is the difference. People who are stuck under 1 or 10 lakh rupees, and people who are scaling lakhs and crores rupees every single month. Now, how you're gonna create great SOPs is simple thing. You need to make things simple, and you need to specify what exactly you're going to have it, and that should be any person of your teammates can do that. It should be repeatable, right? And that's what create a great SOP. The best tool that you can use is to create over a document, Google Docs, or you can use Notion. That was the best tool that I use. Now tell me in the comments, what is the number 1 SOP that you're gonna create for your business right now? Yeah, if you need these kinds of videos, do subscribe, and this is it for this video. Till then, Jai Hind.